To fix Pathfinder, Wrath of the Righteous not launching 1. Quit then restart the Steam client. 2. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Disable NVIDIA/GOG overlays. 3.1. For NVIDIA users, Path, GOG settings game features. 3.2. For NVIDIA graphics card players, Path, GeForce Experience settings general disable in-game overlay. 4. Delete the whole computer /HKey_current_user /software/owlcat from registry. 5. Perform a clean boot. Note, you may need disable antivirus and firewall program. 6. Change the GPU priority in NVIDIA control panel. 6.1 Add the Pathfinder, Wrath of the Righteous app into Manage 3D settings list. 6.2 Let the game use high-performance NVIDIA processor. 7. Check system requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 8. Run the game as an administrator. Like this. 9. Verify integrity of game files on Steam. 10. Update Microsoft.NET Framework. 11. Update Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. 12. Update the text. 13. Disable Steam in-game overlay. 14. Install all pending Windows updates. 15. Launch the game in windowed mode. Enter windowed no order into Pathfinder Wrath of the Righteous launch options. 16. Close background processes via WTM. 17. Reset the Pathfinder Wrath of the Righteous app. Like this. 18. Uninstall, reinstall and update your Pathfinder Wrath of the Righteous. 19. Clear temp files.